Hello everyone, today we're gonna do demo and assembly of gait tracker. So I will explain you the first feature, that is adjustable handle. So it comes with hooks on both the sides. So you just have to push the hooks in upward direction and you can adjust the handle according to your height. So I will explain you the second feature, which is tire fixer. So as you can see, the tire is moving right now, but if you can push the lever in downward direction, then it is fixed. So now I will explain you the last feature, which is brake. All 4 tires comes with this kind of brake. As you can see, the tire is moving right now, but if you can push the brake in downward direction, it is not moving. So now I will give you a small demo.